Welcome to Rayana Store's YouTube channel. Visit rayanastores.pw to check out our products. Let's get started with this video. Can outdoor speakers connect to TV? Outdoor speakers can be connected to television. Before discussing this, make sure you have purchased compatible speakers for your TV set. If not, go for appropriate size pair of speaker which is in accordance with your television set screen size. Once done with buying necessary cables and speakers, connect them properly according to instructions given in the manual accompanying each product. Connecting outdoor speakers is same as connecting it with another device like radio. Outdoor speakers are used for playing audio from different sources such as television, DVD and other devices. This is possible because of the availability of port option on outdoor speakers. The only thing that needs to be done is connecting the right cable to play audio from TV or any other source. Outdoor speakers can be connected to TV using audio cables which are available at electronic shops. Here are some tips on how you can do the connections. By connecting mini jack cable. If your outdoor speakers have an auxiliary input, all you have to do is connect one end of a mini jack cable to it and the other end of the mini jack cable into the appropriate audio out on your TV. These cables are usually supplied with most home entertainment systems. However, if they are not there, you can easily pick them up at any electronics store. Using the amplifier built in the outdoor speaker. Outdoor speakers that have an amplifier built into them often come equipped with either small screw or pin-type terminals which can be connected directly to speaker wire running from an external amplifier source such as television which has RCA-type inputs jacks for audio signal input connection. There are times when the outdoor speakers come with both types of connections already installed on them for this purpose. By digital input that can be connected to the amplifier. If your television is a very high-end model, it may have a digital optical input that can be connected directly to the amplifier speaker terminals of your outdoor speakers. However, that connection would require using a mini plug to optical cable which you will need to buy at any electronics store. Through FM radio or stereo receiver. Another option for connecting to TV is through an FM radio or stereo receiver if it has RCA-type audio output jacks and one available antenna terminal. In this case, connect the right and left channel audio out from your receiver to the appropriate channels of your outdoor speaker system amp inputs. This method requires use of either coaxial or twin-lead speaker wire. If you use coaxial cable, remember to use an RCA/coax adapter which you can buy at any electronics store. Plug the coax connector into your outdoor speaker amplifier inputs and screw down or tighten the connection with a pair of pliers. Through wireless connection. The easiest way for connecting speakers to TV is wireless connection. There are several types of wireless systems like radio frequency, RF, infrared, IR, FM subcarrier system, UHF that allow for this type of connection without cables. However, RF system offers better sound quality than others mentioned here. Also, most modern TVs have built-in RF modulator allowing easy external connections using standard RCA jacks on the rear panel the audio-video inputs. By using a wireless FM modulator, outdoor speakers that do not have any audio input connections can be connected to television using a wireless FM modulator. These modulators receive the audio signal from outdoor speakers' amplifier outputs and converts it into an FM radio frequency, allowing you to connect the TV and its antenna or cable TV input with outdoor speakers through an unobstructed outdoor area. Wireless home entertainment system. Outdoor speakers can also be connected to TV using a wireless home entertainment system. These systems use FM frequency for transmitting the audio signal from your stereo receiver or other sources to outdoor speakers. This method requires no cables, but it will only work in areas where the FM frequency is not being used by other stations. By headphone jack. In some cases, if your outdoor speakers have a headphone jack or any other audio output connection that will accept audio input, you can connect it directly to the audio input of TV using a 3.5mm to RCA cable from the headphone out of the speaker system and plugging one end into the television's headphones jack and the other end into an available audio input channel on your TV. Running a long lead through open windows. Outdoor speakers can also be connected to TV by running a long lead through open windows between TV room and outdoor speakers. This type of connection works well for small areas outside where there are no obstacles to block signal transmission. However, this method is not advised for larger areas because it could result in poor quality sound reproduction due to disturbances or obstructions that could block the signal. By an outdoor cable. Outdoor speakers can be connected to TV with an outdoor cable, this cable has less capacity than indoor types of cables and it is not advised for longer runs of over 50 feet since it will reduce sound quality. However, if you want to make a connection using an outdoor type of cable, connect the coaxial wire, 75 ohm, directly into your amplifier speaker output terminals, then connect the other end to your TV's antenna or cable input terminal. By Bluetooth connection. Outdoor speakers can be connected to TV using Bluetooth connection. Check your speaker's technical specifications before you buy one since not all of them are compatible with Bluetooth devices like your smartphone or tablet. By pairing the TV and speakers through the Bluetooth connection, it will wirelessly connect outdoor speakers with your smartphone, tablet or any other compatible device wirelessly without cables. By using RCA jacks. Outdoor speakers that do not have any audio input connections can be connected to television using RCA jacks for direct connections. First, unplug both ends of the cable from your stereo receiver and plug them in between the left/right channel outputs of the amplifier and RCA inputs on your speaker. Then turn on your outdoor speakers and stereo receiver and tune it to an unused FM radio frequency. You can then use the TV remote control to operate the system starting with its power button and then the volume, treble and bass controls. Using 3.5mm analog cables. Some outdoor speakers have a 3.5mm audio input connection that will allow you to directly connect the speaker's output to an audio input channel on your TV using a 3.5mm to RCA cable, 75 ohm. To use this method, connect one end of the 3.5mm jack cable to the speaker and plug the other end into one of the available audio input channels on your TV. After making all connections, turn everything on including your television and adjust its volume settings as necessary. Using an HDMI, ARC, cable. Outdoor speakers can also be connected to TV using an HDMI, ARC, cable. This type of connection allows you to control the volume levels of your outdoor speakers through your TV's remote control. First, connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI input on your TV and the other end to the speaker's output. After making all connections, turn everything on including your television. You should then set up the sound settings in your TV so that when you change channels or go into standby mode, it will automatically switch off in about 30 seconds after last being heard from. By using satellite receiver. Outdoor speakers can also be connected to TV by connecting it with a satellite receiver or digital set-top box that connected to an aerial socket in the same way as connecting a satellite decoder to TV. By using this method, you can control the volume levels of your outdoor speakers through the TV's remote control. First, connect a spare aerial cable from a wall socket or other aerial source into your satellite set-top box. Next, disconnect the existing lead from indoor receiver and plug it directly into one of the available audio input channels on your outdoor speaker. Using an optical cable. Outdoor speakers can be connected to TV by using an optical cable or toslink cable that will allow you to control the volume levels of your outdoor speakers through your TV's remote control. First, connect one end of the optical cable to the digital audio output on your satellite set-top box and plug the other end into the digital audio input on your speaker. After making all connections, turn everything on including your television. You should then set up the sound settings in your TV so that when you change channels or go into standby mode, it will automatically switch off in about 30 seconds after last being heard from. By using audio cable. Outdoor speakers can also be connected to a television by directly connecting it with a standard 3-pin audio cable that will allow you to control the volume levels of your outdoor speakers through your TV's remote control. First, connect one end of the audio cable to the speaker and plug the other end into an available audio input channel on your television. After making all connections, turn everything on including your television. You should then set up the sound settings in your TV so that when you change channels or go into standby mode, it will automatically switch off in about 30 seconds after last being heard from. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.